Kingdom Protista, Euglenoids. Introduction. Euglenoids represent a group of Euglena-like organisms. It includes Chlorophyllus, that is chlorophyll present, and Achlorophyllus, that is chlorophyll absent, unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Euglenoids are found in freshwater, stagnant water, and damp soil. Euglenoids. Types of flagella. Number one, acronematic flagella represent smooth whip-like flagella. Hairs are absent. Number two, pleuronematic flagella, also called as tinsel flagella. Hairs called as flemurs or mastigonemes are present over flagella. It is of two types. Small a, stichonematic flagella, when hairs or flemurs are present on one side of flagella. Small b, pantonematic flagella, when flemurs are present on both sides of flagella. Euglenoids. Structure of euglena. Euglena is spindle-shaped structure having anterior flat or blunt end and posterior narrow or tapering end. Cell wall is absent in euglena. Cell membrane is covered by flexible elastic layer called as pellicle, made up of mainly proteins and also has carbohydrates and lipids. Pellicle is associated with parallelly present and obliquely arranged flexible strips called myonemes. Structure of euglena. Anterior part of cell membrane shows infolds or invagination, which is divided into three regions: cytostome, that is mouth; cytopharynx, that is gullet; and reservoir. Infold of cell membrane helps in ingestion of solid food. At the base of cell membrane in reservoir region, there are two dark structures called basal body or blepharoplast. Euglenoids. Structure of euglena. Arising from each basal body, there are two different flagella. From one basal body, long hairy stichonematic flagellum emerges out of the cell. From second basal body, small, smooth, whip-like flagellum develops that remain inside the cell. Thus, euglena shows heterocont flagellation. Euglenoids. Structure of euglena. In euglena, both stichonematic flagella and whip-like flagella are attached at a point. At the junction of both flagella, a swelling-like structure is present called as paraflagellar body, having lactaflavin pigment capable of trapping sunlight. Parallel to the paraflagellar body in the reservoir area, present over cell membrane, there is another photosensitive red-orange structure present called stigma or eye spot having astaxanthin pigment. Euglenoids. Structure of euglena. Both paraflagellar body and eye spot, being photosensitive, help in finding direction of sunlight. Vacuole. Euglena has contractile vacuole involved in osmoregulation and excretion found below reservoir part. Nucleus lies in the center of protoplasm. Pigments. In euglena, chloroplast contain advanced pigments like plants. For example, chlorophyll A and B, beta carotene, xanthophyll, etc. Euglenoids. Structure of euglena. Stored food. Carbohydrates in the form of paramylon or paramylum. that is beta 1,3 glucans, which is stored in the form of paramylum granules. Locomotion. Active locomotion or movement is performed by flagella, especially by stichomymatic flagellum. Euglena also perform contraction, that is shrinking, and relaxation, that is expansion of myonemes, which also help in locomotion, known as metabolic or euglenoid locomotion or wriggling movement. Euglenoids. Nutrition in Euglena. Euglena viridis perform mixotrophic nutrition, that is in the presence of sunlight. Euglena performs photosynthesis, and in the absence of sunlight, Euglena performs saprophytic nutrition, that is depend on dead and decaying organic matters, so extracellular digestion. Thus, Euglena is autotrophic as well as heterotrophic, mainly saprophytic in nature. Because of this, Euglena, commonly called as producer, decomposer, protist. Euglenoids. Nutrition in Euglena. Paranema performs holozoic nutrition. Rhabdomonas performs saprophytic nutrition. Euglena represent connecting link between autotrophic, that is plants, and heterotrophic, that is animals, thus also called as plant animal. Euglenoids. Reproduction in Euglena. Asexual reproduction occurs through longitudinal binary fission. Sexual reproduction is absent in Euglena or not been known till now. Euglenoids belong to division Euglenophyta and class Euglenophyceae.